What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, Bitcoin J. And what a difference a day makes. Everyone saw the Grayscale Trust yesterday, and they were going crazy. I mean, it was, we thought, here we go, going into the bull run where everything's going up. Bitcoin hit like 67, maybe 68,000 or something like that. The LTCN was like, it was 30% return. I know that's what I saw. Maybe a little bit more than 30%. You tell me what you saw. Hit me in the comments. Let me know. But we got a reality check today, folks. I think we were down like 12%, a little bit more than 12%, but that's okay. You can't just keep going up without it being a slight pullback. And you know how investment goes. And if you don't, well, now you do. And this is your first taste of it. So, but the Grayscale Trust haven't even begun. That rally that I was talking about in the last video hasn't even begun. So we just got to stand true, stand tall. So be patient. It's not the end of the world. In fact, I forget who said it. They said, you buy when there's blood in the streets, even if that blood's your own. I want to say that was Rockefeller, but let me know in the comments who said that. I know it was a famous quote from an investor. So there's blood in the streets right now. So you just keep buying. You buy as much as you can until, you can't buy no more, because this is the year I believe in my heart of hearts that people are going to become multimillionaires. And the question is, are you going to be one of them? I plan on being one of them. I'm not there yet. I'm not even close. I'm just an everyday dude or person, just like the people watching. But with the right tutelage, with the right information, you dig up enough info on things, do enough research, you listen to certain people that are where you want to be, then guess what? If you're not afraid, you take a chance, you can be there too, or potentially be there. No one's going to guarantee it, but you got to remember, this is all preparation from people who have been there before, right? So the information that I'm listening to, and the information that's out there about these people that have done it, have done the research, they've done their due diligence, and they've invested in the last bull run. And they know, hey, listen, we did this and that. It turned out good. We made money. So let's give this information out to the people for the next bull run. So you just got to be in tune with it. All right. So when we take a look at the Grayscale funds, I'm going to show this to you. But I'm looking at it right now. The ones everyone's talking about you should really pay attention to, obviously, is LTCN. That's a great one. That's the OG. I think that's the move. Now, not financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do. I am telling you this is what I'm doing, and this is recommended by all the people that have done it. All right. So LTCN is one big one. Then you've got GSOL. Where's that at? Right here, GSOL. This is another big daddy. This is obviously following Solana. This is a trust that follows Solana. Then you've got HZen, which is the Grayscale Horizon Trust. FileG, I think that's Filecoins Trust. And BCHG, where's that old school player? That old school player, where you at there, dog? There you go, right up here, BCHG. That's another one. So those are the big ones. So those are the ones I believe are going to have the liquidity that you're going to need. That, obviously, if your bag's big enough and you want to cash out, you can cash out with no problem. So I just want to give a quick update and let you know my thoughts on, don't be scared by what happened today. Be inspired by what happened yesterday, because more of those days are going to happen than today. But you can't have sunshine without rain. Remember that. It's a pretty famous song. They knew what they were talking about. So, anyway, just a quick video. I just want to put my face out there and give you my 2 cents on, I don't want you to get discouraged about what happened today. Yeah, there's going to be red days, but you're going to have more green days than red days. I started off with, I don't know, a minor amount of money. I want to tell you what it is, but I'm not going to tell you that it crescendoed into a pretty good investment just off a small amount of money. When I first heard about something, got involved, I didn't hesitate, and it paid off. I'm still in that same investment, and I'm hoping that it pays off big time come September, October, or even November of this year. So all I'm saying is keep your ears to the crypto street. All right. Listen to people that have done those things before. You might be able to do it too. You might be able to replicate it. So don't be negative, be positive, and be open-minded. All right. And then maybe this time next year, your pockets look a little different. Your swag's a little different because you listened, you took a chance. All right. Well, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Real quick video, nothing crazy. I don't want to keep it too long. But like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and spread the word. Let them know Bitcoin Jay's back, and I'm gonna continue to put out videos as best I can. You know, I do have a lot of irons in the fires because I got a lot of other stuff going on that I have to, divvy up my time to. But I appreciate you tuning in to me. And until next time, like, subscribe, bell notification. Do that. Subscribe. Subscriber count got to go up. Till next time. Peace.